Hi everyone, just to be clear, I'm Nazira's granddaughter. My name is Mia in case you're wondering. I just wanted to contribute and make my award-winning Oreo Milkshake. Hope you enjoy. All you need is a blender, chocolate ice cream, Oreos, half a cup of milk and a glass. Step 1. Put your Oreos inside of the blender's cup. Step 2. Add in your milk. For your chocolate ice cream, add in 1.5 tablespoons. You can add in any ice cream you like. Now give it a good mix so it can blend easily. Once again, give it a nice shake. Blend to your perfect texture. Pour in your glass. For exactly 1 glass, you need 3 Oreos and half cup of milk. Give it a nice stir just to make sure there are no bits at the bottom and everything is well incorporated. This part is optional, you can add decoration. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more content like this. Bye!